announced the third annual Investors Conference, powered by FBN Capital. There was a dinner that created the avenue for economic and investment community players to converse and find solutions to moving the Nigerian financial market forward. It was also a moment for one that has been driving the recovery of assets in the financial market, Mr. Mustafa Chike-Obi, the Managing Director and CEO of the Asset Management Company of Nigeria, AMCON, to share words that inspires in times and moments like this.
I'm very impressed. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm always surprised when a group like this wants to listen to what I have to say. It was powerful to me, and I take it very seriously. I'm here because I happen to be the MD of AMCON. So I'll spend some time, a little bit of time talking about AMCON. But what I want to say here tonight is more broadly for Nigeria. And anything I say tonight should be treated as a challenge to the people in this room, because people in this room are leaders of thought in Nigeria. Okay, can you hear better? People in this room are leaders of thought, and what we believe in from this room has a huge effect on what happens to the country at large. AMCON was created to solve a problem. The major problem was to fix the financial system, which is, as all of us know, the heartbeat of any modern economy. I think that is largely done. And what remains for AMCON now is the business of cleaning up and managing the results of saving the financial system. It's an important job, but it is mostly done. I was asked to speak about, after AMCON fixing the banks, what happens next to AMCON. And I asked the MD of FBN Capital to modify that slightly so I could speak about the economy as a whole. What I want to talk about is that Nigeria is a big country. We just saw an excellent performance from an orchestra that's as good as any orchestra I've heard anywhere. So the theme of my speech tonight is that we need to start thinking big and acting big and doing big things. I see Mr. Jim O'Neill, the author of the BRICS, and Mr. Jim O'Neill had thought there would be BRICS, and I think he may be despairing of seeing the BRICS sometime in his lifetime. I think we need to challenge ourselves to start thinking big. And I'll give you some examples. Today we had a news about the GDP of Nigeria growing at 6.8%. And everybody was patting themselves on the back and congratulating themselves. 6.8% is not nearly good enough for Nigeria. Nigeria should be growing at a GDP of at least 12% for the next 20 years to get us out of our mess. And so, we need leaders who will go to Mr. President and say, I commit to you that I will deliver a GDP of 12% minimum for the next 10 years. And if they can't do that, they should not take the job. The last large project delivered in Nigeria, I believe, is the third mainland bridge. That was well over 25 years ago. We can build many third mainland bridges. We can build many railway systems that connect all over the country. There are many big things we can do, and we can fund it. Mr. O'Neill will confirm to you that the public debt to GDP in Nigeria is probably around 12%. They will say 18%, but when we rebase the GDP, it will be 12%. 12% for an economy like ours is too small. We need to use public debt to do big things. Now, there's a challenge, of course, because we're all skeptical of government. We don't trust government. And so the leaders of Nigeria should be able to communicate to people what they're going to do with this money. And they have to show them what to do with the money. We say all these things to do examples. So I'll give you a couple of examples. If, for example, the Nigerian government decided to provide 1 trillion naira worth of mortgages to middle-income families at 5% interest rate for 20 years, and let the banks will charge 15%, the government will buy it down to 5%. The cost to the government will be 100 billion naira a year, a very small percentage of the subsidy savings. The impact of 1 trillion worth of mortgages in Nigeria to middle-income families is tremendous. You will create jobs, 5 million jobs or more. You will create ancillary industries, furniture industries, and all of that. But we look at things in a small way. The Economist last week published the macroeconomic numbers for New York City. New York City, I say, not New York State. New York City has 8.3 million people. Of the 8.3 million, there are a lot of Nigerians, of which I was one. There are Colombians, there are Puerto Ricans, and of course there are some Americans. The GDP of New York City is 3 times the size of the GDP of Nigeria. New York City. I was one of them. They are no better than we are. They are not smarter than we are. They are not hard. They don't work any harder than anybody in this room. But they are 60 times more productive than we are. 60 times. And it's because the government has given them infrastructure, given them ways to be productive. Let's make our people productive. Your orchestra is as productive as the New York Philharmonic Orchestra. They're just as good as they are. So we need to think big, and we need to do big things. We need to start thinking that we can do it. Our GDP is $250 billion a year. We must get it to 1 trillion in the next 10 years.
Challenging everyone in the investment and economic space to think big, and making emphasis even in interactive session to the sustainable reforms and transformation of Brazil, which can be credited to the dynamic and dedicated work of Professor Fernando Henrique Cardoso, former president of Brazil. That model could be replicated in Nigeria, and that was really the word, the inspiration, and the charge to everyone.